A minute, please.
Hi.
Yeah, you're looking good.
Thank you.
Do you stay around?
Yeah, I stay
Where do you stay?
that side.
The bakery side or where?
Yeah, over there.
Wow, you're looking good. Where are you going?
I'm going to the Waye office to bring some forms.
You went to the WAEC office or you are
Yeah.
now going?
I'm now going.
What's taking you there?
Oh, I want to get some one or two stuff to fill my forms.
Why? What form? Like we've got some travel agency who wants to take people abroad. Like, if you don't mind, then you can just forget about the WAEC and things.
Oh,
Only if you be interested, I'm cool.
I need it to fill my nursing forms. So traveling, whatever, no, it's not important to me.
It's not important to you, but like
I want to further my education.
traveling to Canada to further your education is the best. I don't think.
Oh yeah, I want it that way. I'll be fine.
Yeah, so that's all what I mean. But I don't know if you didn't get me or what.
Oh, sorry.
So, like, what are your plans? Do you have passport?
No.
Like, feel free. Like, don't feel shy. I'm just a normal nigga in the area. Don't feel shy. I'm just easygoing type, and you know, don't just.
Okay.
Let's talk. Like, it's serious.
Alright.
What the fuck this dog is doing?
Yeah,
Come here.
he's
Let's.
barking. You want him to bite me or what?
Oh nah, just.
Oh.
Don't worry. That was just
Alright.
by the way. Like, you have passport.
No.
You don't have passport.
No.
And you care, like, I try get your passport.
I'm okay.
You
Do
okay?
that for me. Yeah.
What's your full name?
My full name?
Yeah.
Vivian.
Vivian.
Yeah.
Well, like, I would like you to send me your info, like your name, your date of birth, your mother's name, your father's name, and all those stuff. I would like to fill the form for you, so let me.
Just now.
Oh yeah, like today is Tuesday, so probably like Wednesday, like Wednesday or Thursday, I'll be going to the passport office. So I'll let you meet me and.
So for how long is it going to take?
Me going straight to the passport office will take like 3 days.
Just 3 days.
Just 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah. So even if you don't mind, just give me
Alright.
your info, your name, or give me your number, and you send me all info on WhatsApp.
Alright, you have no problem. I think that is okay.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
You okay?
Yeah. All right. So I will let you text me the needed information.
Alright.
But
On WhatsApp.
yeah, on WhatsApp. Where will you be going tonight?
Tonight I'll be indoors.
You'll be indoors.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I will come and pick you. Like, my friend is in Ghana and he wants to celebrate his birthday. So
Wow.
if you don't mind, like to join, I'll be much happier.
I'd like to join you.
You like my hair?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, thank you. You're looking sexy. This is the type of ladies I want. Like, you just sexy. I don't know.
Thank you. You look nice.
Yeah. Are you in a relationship?
No.
Why?
No. I'm single. It's normal.
You are single.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm also a single guy. Like, I've been in a relationship, but no luck.
Oh,
They
really?
are all just gold diggers and all that. They come in to spend your money and they just leave. So,
Oh.
like, I like you. Like, you are straightforward and I like how you flow. You're really cool.
Thank you.
You are presentable too, so
Thank
you
you.
can really vibe.
Yeah.
I like people who can express themselves, you know. You are just the type I like. Turn around for me, baby.
Oh.
Wow, you're looking sexy. Don't worry. So
Thank you.
that was just by the way. I like you. Like,
Okay, thank you.
I really like you. I mean a serious long-term relationship, not just few dates. Trust me.
Okay.
so be serious with me.
We'll talk about that later, okay?
All right.
So, got to work on the passport.
No problem.
Okay.
Tomorrow we will meet. No, tonight we will meet for the party.
Yeah.
Maybe you might sleep over or you will
Sleep over your place.
No problem, because the party will close at 12 midnight and I can't just let you go home. Like, not to sleep.
My house is at the roadside. I know I don't have to sleep at anywhere.
We will see what we can do. Okay?
Alright, so
take care. All the best.
Soon. Bye.
Right. Bye. Again, dear, what you made you? Le James, mina minye. What you again? I made you. Obi a mimi be pespe. Be jana be pe taxi spare. Dia bo mu nyankopon bo atina no. Allo we nyina brofo me kan again na jedi. E mawe mu, ye no be bo krum hafa. You had them free chance to go over or the taxi in the home spare. Hey, you want me? I want to say, or don't go. Yeah, rabbit. What's that? Son of us, South bedroom. Me, my throat catch you bed 2 weeks, no to mean you.
2 weeks, baby.
We will be spell next week in Quab. Guy no car. Yeah, can't be Bob. Oh, my boss, dear, what dummy on something want the car. We'll be spell. Check. We'll be spell no matter. Said guy no yare. Intimate ball muka for the week. I am pioneer. But that's the law, mama. Baby, that's a boot to net.
Okay. Wow. That's not if you see it.
A boot to that stuff in our cover. We will be nasty if we are. Not with your man. Ah. Hello? Hi. Hello? Let's say. Oh, many more of our license officer. Oh, I feel like Kaoba. Many more of our Madame Fubio, or proposing. This is and now what's all in our proposing? And then a grand way. And I bet. And then you got a mattress.
Mattress are here. Would you see
oh, dear. If they make the amount here, I'll grab a car.
Fine. Said I be a baby.
And I don't know what people need. You see a job, and you may be 6. Copper by it. Put to here good soon and a video because and now my ball loss. Yeah, put to here good so I'll say.
Lake.
Solina
Lake. My friend, now what take? Now, how you take? Make us how warm. My friend, now also what take? Now, how you take? Let a man throw to intro. Mimi more. And then the only moment. And then the only moment, maybe so only moment. Call to me before the only moment. How can you be some pepper or one?
That be said, I own away.
Brother, oh, and Melinda or make a sound while a woman. 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 Maybe so as a woman.
Sister,
Me friend now what take na high take. They say who Johnny me on. Who Johnny. Sister nya but say nya mama kuma krampo ma dia wo ye no oh ha makuma. Oni skata say. Enya be say me be me ne me boy ahyehyɛ ware say ba wo be se me pɛ say wo de me be tu kwan ma me di wachi wo so de me tu kwan de me say me friend na wo da me boa. Me friend wa na wo da. Wo so de me fa America. America bi wa sra so nti anu na wo kana na me ka Trump ko ma America wo sra so he fa na sra what America wo sra so ada sister ada wa sha da na ni bi a o jina o
no
Unim no and then so
unim me and then the unim me sister tie ma se me ma me ne me boy na ti kama boy yi be ware me wo ba be se me pese o de me be tu kwan me ho ye ofo o de me bet na wo pɛ me ama ma te wa se wo so de me be tu kwan akwa America so wa hu me be to han ma ka me se unim me on ka no kra dey sa na so right won ka no kra ana na so right sa o de me na ya ma ho e ya ma do I me na ya ma ana se unim me wa he asebe na me ka na sa sister nyam to wa se ma me kwan da ni na bo tla say oh ba ma we no akofa lele come you here ka wo ba so pa ka na da so anya be ma ogigi adem na fu bustia na so a anya no anu no
na me kura me nim na o ba
na nku kura on tabi ma mensra ajonwo na me using fie ono ajonwo
ese mu mienu aha mo ba se ma hye me sei se no ba o boy no no o boy o de o boy no no sa se wo mpena nyina kwampo ana be da me no
ba da ware nti wa da
na
me say out insurance grow ni bi sister anya na kopa boy na cho
why ade why eyama why ade eyama wo pa ade why no
anya
China abehu de why no why ade pa na me nu mienu ye be hye wo kurom ha me nu mienu ye be hye pa
Wunim ne he the other time girl be by the same thing and then so just how dey on fan ketwa omo so say me ahofafo me kra won hye me no mo
minim ne no tidio mu se me no nam sa na no mani bre no we twintin atwa na asoma no so me sa la
ma obi asoma no sa na wote ye ada nti mu wofie no mente ye woto nku ma me adwongo na me de sa da bia adam o kete be na da ho ha kete na da ho aye da so kete awrade
mattress na da ho no na de a wo se guma ni
we mattress anya kete na da so we ankura tutu mo sadien ene na de hihye mu
na sa na nka che me
na de sa wo bibi ntina me be fa o bibi nti nim sam no ba be tino da bi e be ye me ko me ma me fie e ma hwehwe ma hira kwan bim what has na ka sho no e fi na akọ e ma ho bim so jo da sam ko se sam ne o ma
ha anjina onso sokete me no manya spa ono so uko life we pa ha Angie best I say line